Meanwhile, while India might be aiming for the moon there, our politicians back on earth cannot even fulfill their basic responsibilities that are required to make life better. And the significant example of that coming in from Karnataka, where today happens to be day 4 of a super spreader yatra, as Times Now has been consistently calling it. This yatra, remember, was planned by the Congress. They say it is fight for the rights of people in relation to Mekedatu Dam. They said they are fighting for people of the state to get water, basic facilities like that. But look at the visuals on your screen, people, and this is day 4. Times Now has shown you this yatra started on a day when there was weekend curfew and rolls on despite 3 people who have been attending this testing positive so far.
You understand, see, this Padayatra was decided before all these happenings, and now also I'll tell you, like the first phase of COVID and the second phase of COVID, there is no such this one that this is a milder variety. It's like a flu. See, it's a milder variety, and there is no question of ICU things and all admissions, deaths, and all this.
ನನ್ನ ಬಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಕೇಳ್ತಾನಲ್ಲ, ನನಗೆ ಈಗ ಏನಾದ್ರು ಸಿಂಪ್ಟಮ್ಸ್ ಇದೆಯಾ, ಬನ್ನಿ ನಡೀರಿ, ಬನ್ನಿ ನನ್ನ ಜೊತೆ ಕರ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗ್ತೀನಿ 15 ಕಿಲೋಮೀಟ್ರು. ನನಗೆಲ್ಲೋ ಒಂದು ಚೂರು ಸ್ಟ್ರೈನ್ ಆಗಿದೆ.
ಸಂಗಮದಲ್ಲಿ ಸರ್ಕಾರದಲ್ಲಿರುವಂತಹ ಬಹುತೇಕ ಸಚಿವರು ನಿಮ್ಮ ಪಾದಯಾತ್ರೆಯನ್ನು ಟೀಕೆ ಮಾಡಿದ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಕರೋನಾ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಆದರೆ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನೇರ ಕಾರಣನೇ ಕಾಂಗ್ರೆಸ್ ನಾಯಕರಾಗ್ತಾರಪ್ಪ
ನೋಡಿರಿ.
Shocking defiance and dereliction there, no regard whatsoever, not just for people's health, even for their own health over there. Joining us now on this broadcast, our political analyst Manasvi Thapar, as well as joining me now is S. Prakash of the BJP. Manasvi Thapar, coming to you first. Today, this matter has reached the High Court of Karnataka, where the court said that it is not just the Congress, even the state government is not doing enough. But before that, isn't that the moral responsibility of your party to shut down this yatra?
I have not seen such a bizarre kind of an understanding of a political party who's in power. I have not seen such a helpless party who's in power. While the Padyatras are on, BJP who's in power, the Chief Minister is off BJP, Home Minister is off BJP, the police is controlled by BJP Minister. Still they cannot stop this kind of an event. So that means they are not actually functioning. It's a defunct party who cannot control Padyatras. The Padyatra could have a great cause, that is. But if it's a super spreading event, what is the BJP doing? What is the responsibility? Let's not go on the moral. But lawful responsibility. Who's responsible?
Mr. Thapar, yes, I will come to Mr. S. Prakash about their responsibility, but why should this yatra have been undertaken in the first place? And look at the kind of explanation your leaders are giving. It was pre-planned, so we could not have postponed.
So if there are people, so BJP who's in power, whose responsibility is not for Congress Karyakartas, their responsibility is for the people of Karnataka. If there is an event which is happening, which could be a super spreader event, what is the responsibility of the people in power? They should control these kind of Padyatras. They have completely failed.
And your responsibility is towards who?
So why?
And your responsibility is not towards the people of Karnataka?
So why are they not arresting those leaders? Why are they not arresting anyone?
But why are you waiting for them to arrest? Why are you waiting for them to arrest? So you are saying that you agree that what is being done by the Congress leaders there is unlawful, but you will go on doing it because there is no reprimand and no crackdown.
No, you are not understanding what I'm trying to say. I am trying to say if someone is doing an unlawful activity, what is the responsibility of those who are in power to act lawfully? If these people are super spreaders, if these people are going on a Padyatra, what is the responsibility of the Chief Minister, the Home Minister? They should arrest them, but they are not doing it. So if Congress is super spreading it, BJP is letting it super spread. They are giving them the free visa. Jao, fhailao, jitna COVID phailana hai. So they are failing it there.
Mr.
the
S.
chief minister?
Prakash,
Question
you are
comes to my
letting
mind.
Congress do it. They are not to blame. Why haven't you stopped them?
Before the start of the Yatra, Chief Minister and every political leader of BJP appealed to the Congress party, do not take out the Padayatra. The numbers are going up exponentially, but it was fell on their deaf ears. When they announced the Padayatra, the numbers were around 200 to 250. Today it is 21,000 in the state, more than 16,000 in Bangalore alone. This Padayatra is also contributing hugely towards the COVID. Today, the High Court has rightly reprimanded, observed very stringently about the failure of the Congress party in abiding, in taking out the Padayatra in a,
Actually, sir,
at the
the
time
High
of
Court has
pandemic.
reprimanded the
Not only
state
that, they have
government
even
because as
questioned the
helpless
state
as you would
government.
like
I'm
to
coming to
believe
that. I'm
people to
coming to
believe
that.
that your
I'm
government is the
coming to that.
the High Court does not agree. It has put the
No, I am
Bombay
coming to
Sarkar
that.
in the
Even-
dock saying that what are you doing?
I am coming to that. They have even questioned the silence of the state government. I agree to that. But certainly they have crossed all the limits. Now I am sure it is time for the government to take action and arrest
They have no
leaders
responsibility
who
for
are
the people.
behaving irresponsibly with no
BJP
regard
has
towards the
completely
public
failed in
health
Karnataka and they
and
have
no
made
regard
people
for
die in
the
Karnataka.
COVID care. And in fact,
We
some
can't
of
control the
their
Padayatra.
Now, this is
no
very
COVID.
convenient
It's so
passing
ridiculous.
of the buck. If we could show the visuals of how crowds have been turning out, we saw DK Shiv Kumar sitting in the middle of young children, sir. Young children, 3 of your people, your leaders have tested positive for COVID. DK Shiv Kumar, since day one, has been exposed. God only knows what kind of infection he is carrying on him, and he's exposing so many other people. Because even today, when he came out and spoke to media, his mask was not on his face, it was on his chin. So that is the level of irresponsibility and callousness. But coming to you, Manasvi Thapar, what is it that is prompting Congress to go ahead with this yatra?
See, Congress for this particular cause, I think the cause is completely right. They have the right to fight for their right for water. They are doing it completely right, but the timing could be questioned. Yes, there should not be any kind of super spreading event. But if Congress is doing such, my question comes to my mind is DK Shiv Kumar is not the chief minister. Siddaramaiah is not the chief minister.
Does he not have any moral responsibility towards the society?
No opposition. Please, sir, don't interrupt.
Can you behave in whatever the fashion
I
he
did
wants
not speak
to?
when you were.
Sir, please.
I did not speak when you were making a point. Please
No,
don't
you are.
interrupt
I'm
when I am
asking a
making my
question.
point.
Does he not have any moral responsibility towards the society? Please answer.
Yes, your question is very valid. They have their moral responsibility.
There is
What
moral
your
responsibility, there
You
is
are
legal
ruling the
responsibility,
government.
there is also responsibility
controlling
towards
the
your electorate, the people that you go to seek
can't
votes
control the
for. From.
Madam, those
And
who-
none of you, neither the party in power nor the party in opposition, is bothered about people's lives. They only care about votes. One is not taking action to stop the yatra, the other one is also reticent. We know that there is an emergency meeting going on right now that has been called by the Chief Minister of the state. One hopes that at least intervention by the courts leads to this horrific walking, talking yatra of infection is stopped in its track and does not go on for another 6 days. Thank you, gentlemen, for joining us. But here